In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Rocket League with a PlayStation 5 controller on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up a PlayStation 5 controller so you can use it alongside Rocket League on PC. You will notice that I am personally running the game on Steam, but even if you own it on the Epic Game Store, you will still be able to use the method that I'm going to show you in this video to play with a PlayStation 5 controller. If you own the game on Epic, what I would recommend is to actually add Rocket League as a non-Steam game. It seems weird, but the reason why we're doing this is because the Steam launcher has a feature called Steam Input. Steam Input is a feature that automatically detects and sets up any sort of controller that we have connected to our PCs. It is by far the most up-to-date and reliable way of using a PlayStation 5 controller with any game, even the games that struggle with the PlayStation controllers. So what you have to do if you want the game on Steam is just to wait, and I'm going to show you the method soon. But if you want the game on Epic Games, go into your library, click the option to add a game, and then add a non-Steam game. This will bring up this window, and what you have to do here is go into Browse and find where your Rocket League installation for the Epic Games Store is. So for me, it's on the C drive, Games, Epic, and then Rocket League. You will be able to find the executable for Rocket League and add it as a non-Steam game. Once you have the game added, follow the instructions that I'm going to show now. So find Rocket League in your Steam library, either the one that you added from Epic Games or the one native to Steam. Right-click it and then go into the properties. Inside of the properties, go over to controller, and in here make sure that Steam Input is enabled for all sorts of controllers. So as you can see, like I said previously, Steam Input will allow any controller to be used with any Steam game, including PlayStation support. So go into the controller configuration, and in here you can browse through all of the different options. So you will notice that currently I have an Xbox controller connected to my PC. I apologize, but I don't have a PlayStation 5 controller to demonstrate this with, but don't worry, the PlayStation 5 controller that you have is also going to work. So you can browse through the layouts. You have official layouts made by Psionics, or you can go into the templates and browse through various templates made by other people. Regardless of which option you choose, you will be able to edit the layout on your own and make sure that everything is configured to your own liking. Once Steam Input is ready and you have a layout, click play, and as you can see, even Steam suggests using a controller. So this is why I recommend doing this process on Steam, either as a native game or as a non-Steam game. This is my first time running Rocket League in a while, so it is going to take a bit to load, but once it does and you get inside of the game, you will notice that your controller connected to your PC is going to be working flawlessly, regardless whether it is a PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, or even a generic controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to play with a PlayStation 5 controller on Rocket League on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.